Hi, this is Lee Phillips. I'm an attorney. Don't hold that against me. You all know that already anyway. I want to talk for a second about powers of attorney. Now, there's a power of attorney, we call it a general power of attorney, and there's a power of attorney that we call a durable power of attorney. I'm going to tell you the difference, but let's just start with the general power of attorney. I remember when I was a kid, like I was 4 years old, and I remember this. My uncle went to Korea in the military, and he had bought a brand new Thunderbird pink convertible. And I got to ride around in it with him. Grandpa had to sell the convertible when my uncle left for Korea. And I remember the uncle gave his dad a power of attorney so he could sell the car. I don't know why I remember this as a 4 or 5 year old, but I do. And they sold the car. The power of attorney allows someone else to do some legal act for you. Now, the general power of attorney is usually good for a specific act. You could have a general power of attorney. I'm going out of the country for 6 months and I want to be able to have my son or my daughter take over and manage my business affairs. And you give them a power of attorney. It's good from this date to this date. It usually doesn't go on forever. In fact, you can't have it go on forever. But it has a specific date and it describes a specific thing that this power of attorney is good for. And that person, the power of attorney, we call him the agent. The agent has the right to execute whatever the power of attorney says they're supposed to do. So they come in and they have the right to do that. A power of attorney instantly kicks out when the individual dies or when the individual becomes incompetent. And so you're not going to have a power of attorney to take care of matters when mom has Alzheimer's. That ain't going to work. That has to be a durable power of attorney. The difference is, in the early 80s, all the states passed laws. They said, well, yeah, power of attorney is good. We like those. But when we really need them is when the guy becomes incompetent, when he has Alzheimer's. And the general power of attorney just kicks out. It's gone. So they passed laws which said, okay, if the power of attorney has a provision in it which says this power of attorney, the agent's authority, will survive or endure my incompetency, then the power of attorney is a durable power of attorney and it endures. The Canadians call it an enduring power of attorney. It endures past the point where mom becomes incompetent. So there are two different powers of attorney. The general power of attorney is good for specific acts, specific dates usually. The durable power of attorney is good when the individual becomes incompetent. Now, both of them kick out the instant the individual dies. Having said that, I have somebody who works in my office, and her dad died, and she continually got requests, are you the power of attorney? You have power of attorney? And she'd say, yeah. And I said, if they're dumb enough to let you into the storage unit or whatever it is under a durable power of attorney, even though dad's dead, go ahead and do it. It's not your problem, it's their problem. They should know that a power of attorney, general or durable, is gone the instant the guy dies. So, general powers of attorney, neat things, specific for a date, a time, an event, an act, and the durable power of attorney is enduring through the individual's period of incompetency. So that's the difference. General power, durable power. We're talking about general powers. The durable powers are usually set up as part of the estate planning. The general powers, you go to get a specific document for a specific act. Now, if you're doing the estate planning, you're getting the durable power of attorney. They're going to usually put it with a trust. The attorney's going to put it with a trust. So don't forget to it's free, get my How to Use a Trust, and we even talk about powers of attorney in there for a second. It's free. Just click the link and sign up to get that, and we'll ship it to you electronically, so you can see how to use the trust and how this all fits together. Now, don't forget to subscribe and love us and kiss us and do whatever you do for us. We enjoy these making these videos. So subscribe below and sign up for the durable power of attorney for the How to Use a Trust, and we will see you on the next one.